Hello everybody, today I have this Freightliner Cascadia. I am replacing the motor mount, as you can see. I'm replacing the transmission, the clutch. That's the reason I'm replacing the motor mount, because you can see that completely destroyed. So I'm taking advantage of the situation and I'm replacing the motor mount, the rear motor mount. If you want to see how to replace the clutch, you can check my video at the description below or at the end screen of this video. So the reason why I'm making this video is now to show you how to replace the motor mount. Is to show you this. Presently, Freightliner replaced the motor mount with a new one. This is the new style of motor mount. As you can see, it looks a little different than this one, but the difference on the shape is not the problem. The problem is they replace the balls. You see, this is a fine thread and this is an ordinary thread. As you can see, it's a different thread. This is the original ball that comes with this one. So if you are replacing the motor mount with a new one, this ball is no longer the right one to install on this one. They replaced the motor mount completely, but I don't like what they did. They replaced the motor mount and they replaced the thread, different bolts, but they don't say anything about it. They just sell the motor mounts without saying anything else. And the biggest problem is then they don't give the bolts. The bolts then are supposed to be for these motor mounts. They don't put it on the motor mount. In this case, this is the new motor mount. This is the part number over here. They don't put it in here, so they sell the motor mount bolts individually. So the biggest problem is not that. The biggest problem is that they don't have it. They don't have the bolt. So you have to buy the bolts separately, but they don't have them at all. So you have to see where to get them. It's a big issue that is going on right now, because see, here is the bolt that is supposed to be here. See, this is the right thread for this. But the problem is then they don't have it, and the places that they sell these kind of bolts, they're running out of bolts because everybody is looking for these bolts. Especially every time they replace the motor mounts, they're gonna give you this style of motor mount and with a new thread. So it's a big issue that is going on right now with Freightliner. I don't like at all what they did, but what we can do, just try to find the bolts. If you wanna know the size of the bolt, this is the one. You see, bolt is a M18 for 1.5, 80 length. So this is the size of the motor mount bolt, and it's not very expensive. It's a $8 piece, but they don't have it, so it's a big issue. I don't know in the future if they're gonna have the same problem, because right now they are updating all the motor mounts. So it's gonna be a really hard. It's gonna be a really hard problem right now, because everybody is gonna be looking for these bolts. So it's a big issue. Another problem the new style of motor mount has, then this one is thicker. You can see it's thicker than the other one. So this is an issue because the bolts, these are the bolts that are supposed to go there. Where you remove the motor mounts, these are the bolts that are supposed to go there. So these bolts are not long enough to cross all over the motor mount bracket. So you will need to get new bolts, the right length, to put them over here. So this is a big issue that they're doing right now, because in my opinion they should give you the motor mount with the bolts and other components that you need to install on the new on this new motor mount, so you can adapt the new motor mount to the old Cascadias. The reason why they did this is because the new Cascadias from 2017 and up is a new, completely new Cascadia, so it's totally, everything is different, totally different. So now they are updating all the stuff from all the DD15 engines and Cascadia's models, and this is causing this issue. As you can see, they fit perfectly with no problem. So the motor mount is exactly the same, but it's thicker and it requires a different ball, which is an issue, especially when you don't know and where you are expecting just to replace the parts, because if they don't have the balls, it will be an issue, especially when you are working on the truck and it needs to get done the same day. So anyway, this is all I wanted to show you, just to let you know that these motor mounts are a big pain in the ass right now, because Freightliner decided to replace them and don't give the right information or the right parts to update the motor mounts to the new style. So well, that'll be all I'm going to show you. If you have any questions about this video, comment below and I will answer them as soon as I can. If you want to support my channel, you can check the video description below how to send support to my channel to continue making videos like this to help people on their shops or on their own trucks. So like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching.